Okay, so we are going to start with the replication of DNA today, right? So let us see that what is there in the replication of DNA. This particular replication of DNA is also called as semi-conservative method or semi-conservation of DNA fragment. Alright, so this semi-conservative DNA replication we are going to see now. Okay, so now what happens, as you know, your DNA is somewhat like this and it's a double helical model. Fine. So now you name this as the 5' 5' and this one 3', this one 5' and this one is the 3'. Fine. Now what happens in the replication, this parental DNA, for example, you name it as a parental DNA. As you can see here, these two strands of it, right? So we'll do one thing, we'll just minimize it and we'll see. Now I will extend it, okay, and this one also. So now these two templates, these two threads are there, strings of DNA are there. Now they are going to make their identical one, because you know that in a particular one cell, suppose this is the one cell, okay, in this one cell DNA is there, but this cell has to divide into two, and now when it will get divided into one cell and the two cell, then further after division the genetic material whatever is here, it has to be here and here both, right? Then only all the characteristic features are going to be transferred in each and every cell of your body, because you know that from 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32 cells are going to get divided in your body, right? So all the genetic features should go in these. So for that purpose, DNA strand has to replicate itself. So for that purpose, if this one is there and this one is there, this is going to make it identical like this. I will mark it with the colored pen, for example, to explain you, to let you understand in a much better way. You just see this one. It will synthesize its own kind of, its own type of. Same way here. This is also going to synthesize its own kind of, its own type of. Only the thing is there that this parental one, which is over here, this parental is going to have its own genetic features, whereas now this synthesized string, which is over here, this is something new. This is going to have something new feature, something new characteristic added to it. So for that purpose, as you know that conservation means to conserve, to protect any of the thing, right? But here it is able to conserve the genetic features, characters, but only the few one, a little bit, a half of it, right? So that is why the word semi-conservative is used over here, right? So this is the semi-conservative, the red one, and the green one is the synthesized one. Now this is the complete strand of a DNA. Now if you have to make this, how you are going to make it? This particular strand is going to be somewhat like this, and this one. Okay, so now you can see that this parental one and this daughter DNA which you are seeing, this is having one green, the synthesized one, and the red one, that's a parental one. Same way here. Now one cell to two cell are made over here. Okay, so this is done by the Watson and Crick. So two scientists were there named Watson and Crick. They have done this experiment to prove replication of DNA. Alright, so hope this is clear to you. Next we will see the second form of it.